Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can potentially make $500 a day using YouTube. That's right, YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment and sharing videos, it can also be a lucrative source of income. So, let's dive in and explore some strategies to help you reach that goal. Niche selection. Host. The first step to making money on YouTube is choosing a profitable niche. Look for topics that you're passionate about and that have a large audience. Research popular trends and keywords using tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search bar to find out what people are searching for. This will help you narrow down your focus and attract the right viewers. Quality content creation. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start creating high-quality content. Invest in a good camera or use your smartphone to record videos with clear audio and visuals. Plan your content in advance and make sure it provides value to your viewers. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, or educational videos, aim to engage your audience and keep them coming back for more. Consistency and upload schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. Develop a regular upload schedule and stick to it. This will help you build a loyal audience that knows when to expect new content from you. Be sure to interact with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for their feedback. Engaging with your audience will foster a sense of community and keep them engaged. Monetization strategies. Now let's talk about how you can start making money on YouTube. The most common monetization method is through the YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can apply to become a YouTube partner and start earning money through ads displayed on your videos. Additionally, you can explore other revenue streams like brand sponsorships, merchandise sales, or crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Audience growth and promotion. To make $500 a day on YouTube, you need to focus on growing your audience. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Promote your videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook to attract new viewers. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to tap into their audience and gain exposure. Analytics and optimization. To maximize your earnings, pay attention to your YouTube analytics. This will give you valuable insights into your audience demographics, watch time, and engagement. Use this information to refine your content strategy, create videos that resonate with your viewers, and optimize your channel for better discoverability. By continually analyzing and improving your performance, you'll be on your way to reaching your income goal. Diversifying income streams. While the YouTube Partner Program is a great way to make money, it's important to diversify your income streams. Explore other opportunities like affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting products or services in your videos. You can also create and sell your own digital products like e-books or online courses. By diversifying your income, you'll be less reliant on a single source. Engaging with your audience. Building a strong connection with your audience is crucial for long-term success on YouTube. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Respond to their comments and engage in conversations. Consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions to interact with your audience in real time. When you build a loyal community, they are more likely to support you and contribute to your income. Collaborations and sponsorships. Collaborating with other YouTubers can be a powerful way to expand your reach and income potential. Look for opportunities to collaborate with creators in your niche or related fields. You can create joint videos, shout-outs, or even sponsored collaborations. Additionally, brands may approach you for sponsorships. Evaluate these opportunities carefully and ensure they align with your brand and values. Investing in your channel. As your channel grows, consider investing in equipment, software, or courses to improve the quality of your content. Upgrading your camera, microphone, or editing software can make a significant difference in the production value of your videos. Additionally, investing in education and learning from successful YouTubers can provide valuable insights and strategies to further grow your channel. Patience and persistence. Making $500 a day on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and hard work. Keep creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your channel. Learn from your successes and failures, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Stay committed to your goals, and with time, you can achieve the financial success you desire. YouTube memberships. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, you can offer channel memberships to your viewers. This allows them to access exclusive perks, like behind-the-scenes content, badges, or custom emojis, in exchange for a monthly fee. YouTube memberships provide an additional source of income. Continuous learning and adaptation. Finally, the digital landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest YouTube trends, algorithm changes, and audience preferences. Continuously learn and adapt your content strategy to stay relevant and maintain growth. The more you understand your audience and the platform, the better equipped you'll be to maximize your earnings. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to potentially make $500 a day using YouTube. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Stay consistent, provide value to your audience, and adapt to changing trends. Remember, the journey to success won't be overnight, but with persistence and passion, you can achieve your income goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on building your online presence. Good luck on your YouTube journey.